Hello Stampers, welcome to 3D Thursday. Today I want to show you how to make this cute little sucker holder. I actually saw this on Facebook. Jessica Ingold made these and I fell in love with them and thought I have got to make those. So this is what I am making to give away to my customers who place an order this month. They're all going to get one of these. So are you ready to see how to make it? Let's do it. So we're going to start off with a piece of designer series paper, and I am going to be using some of our Valentine paper that is from the All My Love designer series paper. And it is just the prettiest paper. It's perfect for Valentine stuff, but it's also perfect for just lots of different kinds of cards. It certainly does not have to be Valentine's. And in fact, the pieces that have Valentines or hearts on one side have something that can be used year-round on the other side. So super cute paper. I love it. And this is the piece that I decided I'm going to work with today. So the size of this is 4 inches by 4 inches. Okay, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your card or your designer series paper and you're going to fold it in half just like that, corner to corner. Okay, so it's kind of at a diagonal. You want to be sure and use your bone folder to go along your crease just to make sure it's nice and crisp. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this bottom right-hand corner and you're going to pull it up, and you're just, I don't even have a measurement, you're just kind of going to eyeball it, okay? That the amount on this side is the same as on this side. And sometimes I will even take this other side and lay it across and see if it's going to lay so that the tip of this is going to end up on the side over there. So that looks about perfect, right like that. Okay, so again, I just eyeballed it. And then I'm going to fold it and use my bone folder just like that. Then I'm going to take this bottom left-hand corner and I'm going to fold it right across so that it's on the same line there, and use my bone folder just like that. Okay? Then there is no adhesive needed in this. It's fabulous. So then what you're going to take, you actually have 2 layers here. You're going to take your front layer here and you're going to fold it down just like that. Okay, so there we go. That's what we do. And if you kind of stick your fingers in it and pop it open a little bit, then it stays very well. Okay, so then what I want to do, because I want my sucker to go through here, I'm just going to take a hole punch and I'm just going to punch a little, like half a circle down here at the bottom, and then your sucker is going to fit perfectly in there. Okay, now to decorate it for the little bird on here, I'm going to be using the Hey Love stamp set. This is in the Occasions catalog and I love it. I think the creatures on here, the animals, are just absolutely adorable. And you need something nice and small to go on the front of this, so I thought the bird was perfect. So I'm just going to use some Whisper White paper. I'm going to use my Memento stamp pad because I am going to color it with my blends. Okay, I seem to color everything with my blends now. I love them, but you have to be sure and use the Memento stamp pad to stamp with it. Okay, so now my blends and some colors that I'm using. So I'm going to be using the dark Real Red and the light Real Red. Okay, that's for my bird. I'm going to be using the dark Lovely Lipstick for the heart. And I'm going to be using the dark Mango Melody for his little beak. Okay, so there's really not any secrets to using your blends. You pretty much are just coloring. But the fabulous thing about the blends is that when you color, there are no lines. Okay, so a lot of times when you color with markers, all the lines of where you go show up. So with the blends, that doesn't happen. It just blends it all together very smoothly and gives it a nice watercolor look. Okay, now for every color that you buy in the blends, there is a light and a dark of the same color. And they are perfect together if you want to do any kind of shadowing or anything like that. And you can kind of color over the light with the dark, and it gives it the the kind of shadow look. So it's really very pretty. So now I'm going to use my 1 1/4 inch circle punch. And I'm just going to punch my little bird out of there. Then I want to pop him on the front, and I'm going to use a dimensional. So I've got one like that. And then he is going to go just right on the front like that. And then for the suckers, I just bought a pack of Dum Dums, and they fit perfectly in there so that it looks just like that. So there you go. Super simple, fast little Valentine treat to give your coworkers or your customers or whoever. And it's just a really cute little treat for them. So thanks for watching. Share this with your friends so they can also get some great ideas of some cute little Valentine things to make. And I hope you have enjoyed our 3D Thursday. Thanks.